Sinhala spell checker and corrector. SynSpell. Spell checking. In natural language processing, spell checking and correction takes a special place. Spelling error types. Non-word errors: word is not in a dictionary. Real word errors: word is in a dictionary but wrong in the context. Why spell checking for Sinhala language? Research on Sinhala spell checking is limited. Sinhala is a morphologically rich language. Available spell checkers lower in accuracy. Let's look at our methodology for spell checking. The methodology has three modules, which are error detection module, autocorrection module, and suggestion generator module. First, the input Sinhala word is fed to the system. The error detection modules check for spelling errors in the Sinhala word. When errors found, they are passed to the suggestion generator module. The suggestion generator module generates the suggestions for the erroneous word and finally ranks the suggestions. Autocorrection module autocorrect the 100% confirmed errors. How each modules work. Error detection module. Categorize a word into a correct or possible error word. Use custom-created Sinhala dictionary based on HunSpell. We created dic and af file for HunSpell. Dic file contains the root words and af file contains the possible prefix-suffix rule for those root words. We list Sinhala language nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives and particles, pronouns from different sources and identify possible prefix rules, suffix rule. According to the several rule creation in HunSpell documentation, we create rules for most of the possible word generates from the root words. Suggestion generation module. Suggestions generated by HunSpell. Suggestions improved using HunSpell rules. Before move into the autocorrection, we did an error analysis for Sinhala language. In order to identify the usual spelling errors done by various individuals, several documents such as government annual reports, circulars, official letters and gazettes were obtained with their corrected copies, which were analyzed and corrected by a professional in Sinhala language. First aligned the original document and the corrected documents using an aligning tool known as HunAlign. The aligned documents are passed through several Python scripts to obtained a large set of erroneous words with their respective corrected words. The obtained spelling error list stated the process of identification of common errors done in the Sinhala language. The most common error types recognized in the Sinhala language are deletion, insertion, vowel length, substitution, and word separation. Autocorrection module corrects input words which are very unlikely to be correct in our domain. The correction made is very likely what the author should have written. From the Sinhala Guide from the Department of Official Languages and the spelling errors from error analysis. Each correction is defined as an incorrect correct pair as shown in below. How SynSpell works. When we go to the SynSpell website, we can see like this. Left side text area, we can input the text which we are going to check for spell checking. Let's input some text. We can checking spellings by click check button. Now you can see the erroneous word as red color. Blue color shows auto-corrected words. When I click this word, the yellow error list shows the suggestions. When click on it, we can replace the error word with given suggested word. Like this, using SynSpell, anyone can input Sinhala test and do spell checking. This research is funded by Natural Language Processing Center of University of Moratuwa. We thank Mr. Saman, Mr. Priyankara, Mr. Kalindu and Miss Indu. This is our team. Thank you for watching.